So, what we know is that if you have a family member with type 1 diabetes, your personal risk of developing the disease is 15 times greater than that of someone in the general population. So, with TrialNet risk screening, we can identify which family members are more likely to progress to diabetes. We do that by testing the blood for diabetes autoantibodies. This is a simple blood test. It takes about 5 minutes to perform. And right now, in the midst of COVID-19, it can be done from the comfort of your own home.
My mom screened me for risk in my living room on my couch while I was watching a movie.
I have screened my own children via test kit. At the time, my boys were 2, 4, and 6 years old, so very wiggly. And we were able to complete the entire testing process at home from the comfort of our couch. I had a movie playing in the background. From start to finish, the whole process took about 20 minutes, and we had our test results back within 6 weeks.
The experience was actually pretty good because the tiny poke with the needle didn't hurt. It was basically just like a pressure shot. So basically I just gotta watch it. We should try to stop type 1 diabetes and try to find a cure for it because A, it's expensive, B, it can be depressing, and C, people can be very scared if they have it.